Good afternoon, and regarding for this one, so in God blessing already saved this one. I did not throw, so that's why I want to explain to you what happened for this our deal on that time. So I will show you that this one is for your desk 2.4, and this one is for the boss, and this one is for the visiting chair, and this one is for the coffee table small, and this one is for the cabinet. Okay, 2.4 cabinet, and this one is the low cabinet, this one and this one, and this is the set of the sofa, and this is for the coffee table for the sofa 1.2. So I did not mention here, or maybe I forgot, sorry about that, but this is our transaction. I never write the the one that you requested, or maybe you're thinking, maybe because me, I'm human. Sometimes I have a mistake. So if I not write this one, so this is the actual price, and after discount, and then you asking me 22,000, but you said 21,800, so we agree this one. And as per the bill, this is 21,800 without the another table, sir. So regarding of that, sorry, sir. See, this one also. So sir, this one is already your order. Okay. Then it's already departure on China 10 October 6.
Sana
So we
all
count
subscribe!
25 days to 30 days. So this one is coming maybe end of month, may end of this month, or maybe first week of November, sir, next month. So if this one's already coming, we will inform you. Thank you. Example, madam, this is the one you take, right? Now this one is C. Why coming C? In the agreement that I mentioned, because this is in our model. Once you put this one in this one high back and put with the wheels, so it means this is coming A. So your special order is with wheels, so that's why coming the packaging is A2005. Okay, sir, this is the delivery note, and this is your original. Original I will give to Adele, and then I will put inside the carton, okay? So everything is okay. Thank you.